Now, again, coming back to that point, so there are two ways to deal with pain, right? A lot of people who victimize themselves, I can't say right or wrong, but either you have a traumatic childhood. Everybody has trauma. I think everybody's not really. In today's age, all parents are complicated, all families are disturbed. So I'm sure everybody goes through trauma. But how you take it? One is to become victim about it, that look at my childhood, look at the kind of pain I've been through, and constantly cry about it. Second is to heal yourself and move on. I think we've done the latter. And I want to break it down. Were there any stages in your life where you felt deprived? You felt that you were less off to do with your peers in the school. How did you deal with that thought process?
So I'm quite ambiverted as a person. I had one friend who had friends always in my life. Okay, I would not go and interact. I would participate in a lot of things in school, but I was not the like I had one friend that you stick to. कभी देखा है वो एक लड़की को जिसकी एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड होती है वही उसके साथ ही चलती रहती है. I used to be that, okay, for the longest time, and for in my life in general also. I don't go out and don't party so much. It's because I am one of those people who are very reserved. So even in school, see, I have for the longest time, I have always thought I'm never enough. It's absolutely true. No, no, maybe I've gotten this by fluke because the society is telling you, यार इसको कैसे मिल रहा है? Yeah, this is the just you're lucky. For the longest time, I also thought that for myself. कि यार maybe it's just happening. It's just there. वो हो जाता है कभी-कभी. Like people would say, यार you've done. Like I'll tell you, simple example. Buying a house, big thing. 24 years, big thing. When people came and said, okay, you know what? It's such a great thing. I was like, really? Is it? I thought it was so normal. Like for me, it was so normalized. It still is so normalized कि ये तो basic चीज़ है ना भाई. ये तो करना ही है. ये तो करना ही है. So for me, I don't know मतलब what you were saying of comparing myself. Absolutely, all the time. I would always think that the other person is better than I am anywhere in the room.
But then that thought process is very draining, no? Then it sucks you. Then you're always victimizing yourself. How do you come out of it? I mean, you look at you today, look at you what you achieved. I'm sure you've beaten that, painful feeling all the time.
I think realizing is not everyone in the room is good at everything. Everyone has their own specialization. It's very important to know. Okay, if I am sitting with you and there are 5 other people, सबकी खुद की एक खासियत होती है, ठीक है? तुम्हें उनसे कंपेयर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You should know your highs and lows. You should know what you're good at, what you're bad at, and be open to learning. One of the things that my mentor said is that there are things that you know, there are things that you don't know. Now, there are things that you don't even know that you don't know, right? And it's very important to realize that कि यार comparison is not the way to go. If you really think that the person is doing better, you sit with them, you learn their patterns, you ask them questions. Instead of being jealous, you be curious. And that changed my perspective. Today, when I go into a room, I may not be the smartest person in the room in 1, 2, 3, but I may be good at 1, 2, 3 as well. So that shift has completely changed of how I enter a room today.
Wow, what a perspective. I'm glad you made it this far and thank you for watching this episode. Looking forward for your support for all my future episodes. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.